What if you could run your entire online business from one single platform? No more stitching together website builders, funnel software, community platforms, membership tools, video hosting, and analytics. That's exactly what eStage is trying to solve. In this video, you'll discover what eStage is and how it works. We'll dive into the features and whether this all-in-one digital hub platform could be the future of your online business. At its core, eStage is an all-in-one digital business platform designed to help entrepreneurs build a centralized online presence. Instead of relying on disconnected tools, eStage combines everything into a single ecosystem under your own brand and domain. The platform is built around what it calls a hub-centric business model. The idea is simple. Create one central destination where your audience can access everything you offer in one place. Many online businesses operate with what some call a digital duct tape setup. One platform for your website, another for courses. Managing all those separate tools can become expensive, complicated, and very difficult to scale. eStage was designed to simplify that process by bringing these critical business functions together into one centralized platform. One of the most exciting features is Genesis AI. This AI-powered builder helps you create layouts and content from scratch. Using simple prompts, the AI can help accelerate the entire creation process for your pages and hubs. eStage also includes powerful community building tools, allowing you to create private or public engagement directly in your hub. You can deliver courses and manage memberships to build recurring revenue models, all without leaving your ecosystem. The platform even supports live streaming, designed to keep your audience engaged inside your own world. eStage is a great fit for entrepreneurs, coaches, and creators who want a central online headquarters. It's perfect for community builders and business owners looking to reduce complexity while owning their audience. So, what is eStage? It's a hub-centric platform designed to bring your entire business into one unified system. If you're looking for an all-in-one approach, check out the links below to start your trial and explore our full guides.